In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in an Audi A5 key fob. This is a quick and easy process. It will just take you a few minutes, and you don't need any special tools to get it done. All you will need is a replacement battery, which for this device is a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around or you'd like to get one online, go check out that first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. Now, all we want to do to start is flip this over, find the button on the bottom here, and just hold that down and pull out the internal key. Now, back on the front of the device, you can see this part here. That is actually a button. So you're actually going to push down, and while holding on that button, pull and wiggle out this component here. See, that comes right out. And we have access now to our battery. You can just pull the battery out with your fingers, dispose of your old one, grab your new CR2032, and when you're putting the battery in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text and information goes face down. Just set that into place, positive side down. And now we can put it right back in. So the battery will be facing up with if you have the buttons facing up, the battery's facing up, and you'll just slide that back in there. Push it down all the way. It's not really gonna click, maybe yours will, but you just push it down until it's secure and it should be locked into place. And then finally, put the key back in there. And if you wanna make sure you did everything correctly, just check to see that light is turning on when you hit a button. And that means you have a functioning battery, you did everything correctly, and you are good to go. So I hope that helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.